Hello again, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some easy way to make a Vietnamese iced coffee. I just ordered this coffee filter. I call premium Vietnamese coffee filter from Amazon, about 10 bucks. This is an 8 ounce, so you can order a bigger one. This is 8 ounce coffee filter. They have 4 parts to it. This is the stand, got a hole in it. You can put it on top of a glass. This is the stand. This is the filter itself, and inside the filter there's this thing called a spreader, or the something to press the coffee down, and this is the lid. I already washed everything already. So, and the coffee we're going to be using today called the coffee Dumont. You can buy this from Asian store. It costs about 6 bucks. You can order it from Amazon too. I see it on there about 8 bucks. So go to Asian store, cheaper. And this is called condensed milk. You need condensed milk, California farm, and of course you need a glass to let the water drip. I mean, let the coffee drip into, and then a glass of ice. And let's put the first thing you need to do is just put some condensed milk in the glass. It's depending on your preference. You know, the sweeter you want, the more you put in. If you don't like sweet, don't put in a lot. I put in around there, make two or three tablespoons of that, and put the filter right on the cup right there. And this is the ground coffee, the coffee Dumont, Cafe Dumont. It's depending on how strong you want your coffee. Normally, just put about 3 tablespoons in the filter right here. 3. If you want a little stronger, put 4. It's depending on your preference. So just put 3. And shake it a little bit. Make sure it's even. And you put this thing to spread it or press the coffee down. Give it a little press. Press it down until it looks like this, flat like this. Just press it down. Okay. And now you gotta have a boiling water, at least 100 degrees here. I just boil it in a kettle right here. And just pour in just a tiny bit of water, not too much. It's a little bit of water, boiling water basically. A little bit of boiling water right here. And just put a lid on, let it sit about 30 to 40 seconds before adding more water to it. Alright, about 30-40 seconds already. Let's look at it. See all the water kind of the ground coffee kind of absorb all the water. Now add some more boiling water in. So add about 3/4 of the way. 3/4 of the way, not completely full. Just add about 3/4 of the way. Now just let it drip. Put the lid back on. Yeah, see that? It's dripping. It's usually take about 3 to 4 minutes before all the water dripping out into the glass. Just let it drip. Alright, up to the 3 to 4 minutes, the coffee stopped dripping. Already done. Just remove this part and take a spoon and just kind of stir it. Just give a little taste. If you need some more, condensed milk, that you can put a little more in. I could use a little more. A little bit more, and just stir it up. It's depending on your preference. You want a little more sweet, and then add more condensed milk or some sugar. That should do. And here I have here is a glass of ice, and just pour it in there. Stir a little bit. Well, give it a taste. Oh, this is awesome. You should make this. This is really nice coffee. Instead of go Starbucks, this is really good. So thank you for watching. This is Vietnamese iced coffee. So if you like what you see, please subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel, and please give us a thumbs up. Hit the like button, and thank you again for watching. Bye bye.